Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The question I have before me today talking about affiliate marketing goes as follows. Can you really make significant money using affiliate marketing? Can you really make significant money using affiliate marketing? I've told us that throughout the month of February and August 2024, I will be doing videos mainly on making money online, and I've decided this time to focus on affiliate marketing. So this question that comes, that can you really make significant money using affiliate marketing? The answer to the question is simple, and it is yes. It is possible to make significant money through affiliate marketing. But success in this field typically depends on various factors, such as your strategy, your niche, your audience, and your dedication. Many affiliate marketers have built lucrative businesses and generated substantial income by effectively promoting products or services. Here are some key points to consider. Number one thing you need to consider, or that will determine if you are going to make significant money using affiliate marketing or not, is niche selection. Choosing a profitable and in-demand niche is crucial. Some niches may have higher earning potential due to the nature of the products or services they offer. Number two is quality products or services. Promoting high quality and reputable products or services is essential for building trust with your audience. Products with good reviews and customer satisfaction are more likely to convert and to get sales and for you to get your commission. Number three is targeted audience. Understanding your target audience and creating content that resonates with them is vital. Tailoring your promotions to meet the needs and preferences of your audience increases the likelihood of success conversions. Number four is effective marketing channels. Utilizing various marketing channels such as blogs, websites, social media, email, and video platforms can help you reach a broader audience. Diversifying your approach can also be beneficial. The next one is building an email list. Building and nurturing an email list allows you to establish a direct line of communication with your audience. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for promoting affiliate products. The next number is consistent content creation. Regularly creating valuable and engaging content helps attract and retain your audience. This content can include reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and other formats that showcase the benefits of the products you are promoting. The next number, which is number 7, is SEO optimization. Implementing basic search engine optimization, that is SEO techniques, can improve the visibility of your content in search engine results, driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. The next number, which is going to help you to be able to make a living from affiliate marketing, is transparent disclosures. Being transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships builds trust. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships in your content. Testing and optimization. Continuously test different strategies, promotional methods, and products. Analyze the performance of your campaigns and optimize based on the data you collect. While many affiliate marketers achieve success, it is important to know that results can vary. It may take time to see significant income, and persistence is key. Additionally, staying informed about industry trends, adapting to changes, and continually refining your approach are essential for long-term success. Success stories often involve a combination of effective marketing, audience engagement, and smart products choices. If you are new to affiliate marketing, Consider starting with a realistic mindset, being patient and focusing on providing value to your audience. Before we go, I need to state that as you are coming into affiliate marketing or you've been there before and you are looking forward to overcoming challenges in affiliate marketing, apart from anything anybody may teach you, sit down and think of how you yourself can make sales or can make a living and make a good earning from affiliate marketing. And I'm sure by the time you do that, you are going to be surprised at what you're going to come up with. I will talk to you in the next video. Before then, please subscribe to this channel. The link in the comment in the description section is a link to some of my affiliate products and affiliate services. So go ahead and click it. If you have not started your own YouTube channel and you don't want to show your face and you don't want to even talk, go ahead and use InVideo tool to start your own YouTube channel. You just have to get the script, the video script, place it inside of InVideo, and the next thing is that your video is ready and it's going to take a foreign voice, maybe an American voice, a British voice, male or female, maybe even a Chinese voice, or maybe even any voice, but it's going to be in English. And then you have to download the video and then upload it on YouTube, and your video is ready. So that is what we call a faceless YouTube channel. So if you're looking in that direction, go ahead and use InVideo, and the link to InVideo for registration is in the description section. So use that link. It is one of my affiliate products that I am marketing. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Subscribe, share this video, like this video, and comment in the comment section below. The next video that is popping up that you're going to see is this one that is popping up by the side. So go ahead and click it and watch it. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.